A really handy tool that is helpful for writing papers and citing information is Citation Machine. So I will create a tutorial as to how to use and generate citations with Citation Machine. So we want to only create citations. Go ahead and click that. And let's say that our paper is going to be written in MLA format. So we would click MLA. So it gives you many different options like books, magazines, newspapers, websites, journals, films, and other. Let's do a book. A book that we had read recently in one of my literature courses has to have been Lost in the Funhouse. So we'll go ahead and learn how to do that citation. So we search books. And this is a book, so we select it. It gives us all that information. So we go to the final step, and it will generate citations for this book. So we have to make sure all the information is correct. And then create citation. We then have to pick the citation that best fits our book, which would be any of these three, and then copy it and insert it into the paper. So that's how you would use a citation machine.